subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new Y series phone in India called Vivo Y21a, and it is the successor of the last year launched Vivo Y20a smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y21a features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a large 20:9 aspect ratio and 89% screen to body ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM that can be extended up to 1GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is also expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y21a supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses an 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on FunTouchOS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is equipped by Multi-Turbo 5.0 plus Ultra Game Mode feature for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.26 by 76.08 by 8mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. Unfortunately, the pricing details of the Vivo Y21a is yet to announce by the company, and it is expected to be soon available for purchase in the country in Moon Night Blue and Diamond Glow color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y21a smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.